a lot of these detergents, Auntie, I was reading, are banned from different parts of the world, but they're still in use in
Using in
India.
India, yeah.
Any natural cleanser for cleaning our dishes? Because, we think that we're using detergents which are
Yes.
only for the utensils, but actually those residues are also going inside of us. So please tell us the harm of using these chemically based cleansers or dishwashers and what can be used instead.
See, anything like when you're using it, little bit of that will be there. When you're eating, that is directly going. And plus that smell. It's all like a strong chemical they have added in that food, that smell like they have added. That is again like it's going inside. The liver problem, most of the liver problem, all these are the problems for the nowadays the fatty liver is very common. When any dishwasher or anything, what are they showing? The goodness of all lemon into that. It's a lemon. We know that it's a natural cleanser in that way. So why can't we make our own like cleaning material at home? It's very easy to make it. The bioenzyme, it's very easy to make it. The ratio is that 1:3:10. In that 3 is the lemon peel. Lemon peel, see now this is summer season. Every roadside, the Mossambi vendors, they will be selling the Mossambi. Any citrus peel you can take it. You can just collect that from them. And it will be like one way you are actually cleaning your street also.
Yes.
So you can just collect that peels. That is 3 portion. Means 300 gram you are getting the peel. 1 portion should be either sugar or jaggery. You can use it. 1 portion is the sugar or jaggery. 3 portion is this citrus peel and 10 portion is water. You have to mix everything together and keep it in a jar. Use only the plastic jar. If you're using the glass bottle, it will create actually gas. If you're not opening it daily, it can burst. So don't use the glass bottles, use the plastic bottle. And even though you're using plastic bottle, every day for 15 days, you have to open it, mix it and keep it.
Okay.
And after 15 days, you just shake it and keep it. The first batch may take around 3 months time to get that bioenzyme. The second time onwards, use this little bit of leftover from here, use it as a starter in the second batch. So that the batch will happen in 1.5 months time, this will be ready. When it is ready, when you're making it, all the peels will come on the top of the water. Once when it is ready, all the peels will just go down.
Okay.
So then you can understand that this is ready. And take that, filter it and keep it. Keep it for few, like 1 or 2 days when you're keeping it, it will just come now on the top you can see very clear water. It's not only for dishwasher. The clear water, you can use it for a cloth washing.
Okay.
Actually, my cloth washing thing is bioenzyme only. I wash my clothes only with bioenzyme.
This is washed through the bioenzyme.
Bioenzyme.
Wow.
Pure white cloth, you may get like little bit
Yeah.
of a color into that. Pure white cloth,
Yeah.
I don't normally use also pure white. So pure white, you cannot use that. And otherwise, any cloth you can wash with bioenzyme. And you can use it in the machine also.
Acha, wow.
So when you are making this bioenzyme, it's a multi-purpose cleaner. You are using this for the dishwasher. Once when you keep it, filter it, the top layer you can just take it slowly. You have to take it out. That is coming for the cloth washing. And on the top, little bit of thick one comes. That you can use for your floor cleaning and tabletop cleaning. All that you can use it.
Okay.
Again, like a very thick one comes on that down, like very thick one. You can make it again a paste. Little bit of soft lemon peels will be there. That you can use for your toilet cleaner and your dishwashing.
Okay.
So all purpose cleaner you have made it. All in one.
Super. Wonderful. Auntie, how can we wash our hands? Because these days you're using the famous,
Yeah.
the D's of the world and the S of the world, you know what I'm talking about. So what can we use instead? Because
See,
those are also harsh, na?
Wherever we can avoid, we have to avoid the chemical.
Okay.
The bioenzyme, I have told you, it's very good. But still in our mind, like lather
Yeah,
is.
especially when
And-
you,
yeah,
done the bathroom and all of that.
when you're using it.
Yeah.
For getting a lather, nature has a very good thing for the lather we have, soapnuts. Soapnut is actually a small kind of nut. Either you have to soak it overnight or like just boil in water for 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes it has to
Okay.
boil. And then mash with the hands. Good lather you will get. Very good lather you will get with that. So mix this in that bioenzyme, thick bioenzyme, mix this. Then wash your hands. Even for the cloth washing you can use it. That soapnut, you have to just soak the soapnut, take it in a pouch, cloth pouch. You can just put that, tie it and put it in your machine.
Okay.
That is also
Wow.
good for washing.
Understood. Wonderful. And you also have a first aid Aunty Anitha Nuska. So if I get a cut, I should not be applying the
Yeah,
famous
beta,
D,
yeah.
right? But I should be applying something else. What
Yeah,
is it?
actually, Ayampana, like one plant is there. It's called Mrida Sanjeevani.
Okay.
Every house, I think that everyone should grow that. It's very beautifully like it grows. You can use it as a shop plant, it looks like. And if it is a deep cut or anything, the Ayampana, like this is a plant, it's Mrida Sanjeevani. That you can just take it, crush it, that juice you can apply it, or if it is a little more, even with the all that. The mashed one, you can just tie it and keep it.
Oh,
it heals.
really?
It heals. And even actually that juice is very good. Even internally, when you have ulcer and all that,
Yeah.
that juice you just take in the empty stomach like for few days. It's good.
Okay, wow.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.